Hello, my name is Hunter Park from the SMAC Europe GmbH. Today is the 17th of September, when it's one day before the one of biggest machine tool exhibition and the festival in the world, IMO Hanover. Now we are located in the Hall 16 and booth A10. The reason why I'm here today is to introduce our wonderful booth with full of newest technology. Due to the dramatic turnover increasing from the market of the Europe, we have decided to have more aggressive and adventurous investment to show our high-class technology, which is competitive to our competitors and even better. Basically, SMAC machines are designed based on the Moriseki for the turning center and OKK for the machining centers. Physically, all the machines have a heavier weight compared to any other machines in the class. The heavier machines provide us more possibility of heavy cutting and rigid performances. Now I will show you around our booth. The total booth size is 648 square meters with totally 13 machines and 5 robots automation system. We have divided our booth for 3 sections. Here, the first is automation with robots. Recently, the collaboration between robots and the machines are getting important more and more. We have collaborated with Robozap, which is one of the leading company for the robot automations. As you see now, it is perfectly working with our machining center MCB 4600 and MCB 5700. Especially if MCB 5700 is officially introduced in the IMO Hanover to the market for the first time, and as you see, it is co-working very well with the machines together. MCB 4600 is upgraded version of previous model MCB 4300, and MCB 5700 is also upgraded from previous model MCB 5500, which was best seller in the machining center lineup. Both machines are with a high-speed LM guide with 30 tool magazines, together with a BT40 spindle. The spindle type can be changed to the SK to have flexibility for the user's requirement. Second is the heavy cutting sector. Here you can see our one of biggest machine SL4500 XLM. The chuck size is available from 15 inches to the 24 inches. This machine has 5 meters of Z-axis stroke and total machine length is nearly 9 meters. The reason why we decided to exhibit this machine, even the special transportation and the equipment are needed for this machine, is we want to show how heavy cutting can be done by this machine to visitors' own eyes. We will have real dry cutting during the IMO, 2 times a day from 10 to 11 and 15 to 16. At last, new machines and the steady seller section. SL2000 SY series is one of the best sellers in the market. 6 to 8 inch chuck sub-spindle with a Y-axis is used for various industry sectors. Also, we have brought 2 newly developed machines, NS2000 LM and NS2100 SY. After we have launched NS2000 series successfully, many customers ask us to develop the longer version of it. Finally, we have finished to develop NS2000 LM with a Z-axis stroke with 500 millimeters. And NS2100 SY is especially working with the collaborative robots and the lamp stalker, which is completely developed by ourselves, can hold various type of the workpieces for the different type of the business field. At last, our high-end 5-axis machine MVF 5000. This machine is worm gear type table, turning system, and the customer can choose the table size from 500 mm to 600 mm as they need. At this exhibition, we are cutting golf putters with the machine together with the Autodesk system, and visitors can try the putting in our putting greens. The machine what we are displaying now is already sold to the Netherlands, even we did not even start the exhibitions. After the show, this machine will be transported to the customer directly. Also during the show, the Siemens and the Mitsubishi will have a seminar to show visitors about the feature of their controllers with the SMAC machines. So as you see, we are completely ready to welcome all of our guests. Please come and check more detailed information. We are happy to see you here again in Hanover.